Hey guys, welcome to Power Tools Pro. Today we're showcasing 14 genius tools that will transform your workshop. From precision woodworking gadgets to heavy-duty power tools, these picks will elevate your skills, boost efficiency, and make your DIY or professional projects faster and more enjoyable. Let's dive into the must-have tools you can't afford to miss.
The Woodpeckers stainless steel setup square is an essential tool for precise woodworking and metal projects. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it ensures perfect 90-degree angles for measuring, marking, and layout tasks. Its durable construction resists warping, while the easy-to-read etched graduations guarantee accuracy for years. Ideal for cabinet making, furniture design, or general workshop use, it's a reliable companion for both pros and DIY enthusiasts. Lightweight yet sturdy, it fits comfortably in any toolkit and helps achieve flawless joints every time. Upgrade your precision and efficiency with this indispensable setup square. The Woodpecker's taper sled is perfect for cutting accurate taper legs, boards, and furniture pieces. Designed to work with table saws, it provides smooth, safe, and precise cuts while keeping your workpiece stable. Its solid construction and easy alignment ensure repeatable, professional results every time. Whether you're crafting furniture or custom woodworking projects, this sled minimizes errors and enhances your workflow. The large base supports various board sizes, and the integrated stops make setup quick and easy. Save time, reduce mistakes, and achieve a flawless finish with the Woodpecker's taper sled, a must-have for any serious woodworking enthusiast. The Rotary hammer dust attachment is designed to keep your workspace clean and safe while drilling. Compatible with most rotary hammers, it captures dust directly at the source, reducing mess and improving visibility. Its durable construction withstands heavy-duty use, while the efficient dust collection system protects both you and your tools. Easy to attach and remove, this accessory is ideal for masonry, concrete, and renovation projects. By minimizing airborne particles, it helps maintain a healthier workshop environment. Upgrade your rotary hammer setup and enjoy cleaner, safer drilling with this reliable dust attachment. The Dust Extractor 40-volt Max XGT is a powerful, portable vacuum system built for heavy-duty woodworking and construction cleanup. Its high-capacity motor delivers strong suction, efficiently capturing fine dust and debris. Designed for portability, it features wheels and a compact body for easy transport around the workshop or job site. With multiple filters and convenient hose attachments, it handles both wet and dry messes effortlessly. Compatible with various power tools, it ensures a cleaner, safer, and healthier workspace. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will appreciate the combination of power, mobility, and reliability in the Dust Extractor 40-volt Max XGT. The WOKIN Hollow Punch Set is an essential tool for leatherwork, woodworking, and metal fabrication. Each punch delivers clean, precise cuts for creating holes without fraying or damaging the material. Made from hardened steel, the punches are durable, sharp, and long-lasting. The set includes multiple sizes to handle a variety of tasks, making it versatile for professional and DIY projects alike. Easy to use with a hammer, this punch set simplifies repetitive hole making while maintaining accuracy. Compact and organized, it's perfect for workshops, craft studios, and on-the-go projects. Enhance your crafting precision with the WOKIN Hollow Punch Set. The WOKIN Demolition Hammer is designed for heavy-duty demolition tasks with maximum power and durability. Its high-impact motor easily breaks through concrete, masonry, and tiles, saving time and reducing effort. Ergonomic handles and anti-vibration technology provide comfort and control during prolonged use. Lightweight yet robust, it's ideal for both professional contractors and serious DIYers. With multiple operating modes and interchangeable chisels, it adapts to various tasks from light chiseling to intense demolition. The WOKIN Demolition Hammer is a versatile, reliable tool that ensures efficiency, safety, and precision on every project. The WOKIN Magnetic Drill combines precision, stability, and power for metal drilling applications. Its strong electromagnetic base secures the drill firmly to steel surfaces, allowing accurate vertical and horizontal drilling without movement. Perfect for workshops, construction sites, and fabrication shops, it offers smooth operation and adjustable speed control for various metals. Lightweight and portable, it simplifies drilling large or heavy work pieces that would otherwise be difficult to manage. The WOKIN magnetic drill ensures precision, safety, and efficiency, making it an indispensable tool for professionals who demand consistent, high-quality results. The M18 Surge hydraulic driver delivers extreme torque and precise control for demanding fastening applications. Its hydraulic mechanism ensures smooth, consistent force, preventing fastener damage and enhancing productivity. Ideal for construction, automotive, and industrial projects, it handles large bolts and nuts effortlessly. Compact and ergonomic, it reduces operator fatigue, while its durable construction withstands harsh job site conditions. Compatible with M18 batteries, it provides cordless convenience without compromising power. From professionals to advanced DIYers, the M18 Surge hydraulic driver is a versatile, reliable solution for fast, efficient, and precise fastening every time. The MX Fuel Rammer 70 kilograms is a professional-grade compaction tool built for soil, sand, and gravel. Its high impact force ensures thorough compaction in a single pass, improving project stability and longevity. Lightweight for its class, it's easy to handle while maintaining exceptional power. Ideal for construction, landscaping, and road work, it reduces manual labor and increases efficiency. Ergonomic handles and anti-vibration technology provide comfort during long sessions. Built for reliability, the MX Fuel Rammer withstands tough environments, making it an indispensable piece of equipment for contractors and serious DIYers alike. Achieve perfect compaction with ease and confidence.
The Milwaukee Steel Pipe Cutter M18 Fuel delivers precision cutting for steel pipes up to 2 inches thick. Powered by M18 batteries, it provides cordless convenience while maintaining consistent torque for clean, burr-free cuts. Its ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the high-speed rotating wheel minimizes effort during repetitive cutting. Perfect for plumbing, HVAC, and industrial applications, it saves time and improves efficiency. Safety features, such as a secure clamping system, prevent slippage and reduce mistakes. Durable and reliable, the Milwaukee M18 Fuel Steel Pipe Cutter is ideal for professionals seeking accuracy, portability, and dependable performance on any job site. Watch here: SuperFence Pro Universal. The SuperFence Pro Universal by Woodpeckers is a versatile precision fence for table saws. Its sturdy aluminum construction ensures stability, while the smooth sliding system allows accurate, repeatable cuts. Quick adjustments and secure locking mechanisms reduce errors and enhance workflow efficiency. Perfect for cabinet makers, furniture builders, and hobbyists, it accommodates wide boards and complex projects with ease. Easy to set up and compatible with most table saws, it guarantees professional results with every cut. Improve precision, save time, and enjoy flawless woodworking with the SuperFence Pro Universal, a must-have for any serious woodworker. The folding saddle squares from Woodpeckers are compact, foldable tools designed for precise woodworking layout. Constructed from high-quality steel, they resist wear and maintain perfect 90-degree angles for accurate marking. Lightweight yet durable, they are easy to carry, store, and use on the go. Ideal for cabinetry, furniture building, and other woodworking projects, these squares simplify repetitive layouts and reduce errors. Clear etched markings provide consistent visibility even on larger work pieces. Professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike will appreciate the portability, accuracy, and efficiency these folding squares bring to the workshop, making them an indispensable tool for precise craftsmanship. The Woodpeckers mortise base is designed for precision mortising with routers or drill presses. It ensures accurate, repeatable mortises for furniture, cabinetry, or joinery projects. Made from durable, high-quality materials, the base remains stable during heavy use, allowing clean and precise cuts every time. Easy to attach and adjust, it saves setup time while increasing productivity.
Professionals and serious DIYers can rely on this tool for consistent, flawless mortise joints. Improve workflow efficiency, reduce errors, and achieve professional-grade results in your woodworking projects with the reliable Woodpeckers mortise base.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed our 14 genius tools that will transform your workshop, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell on Power Tools Pro. Stay tuned for more innovative tool reviews, tips, and must-have workshop gadgets to elevate your projects.